Hi, it's Anthony here from Breathe Fitness. I'm going to take you through now a fantastic exercise to work sort of your mid-traps, the middle of your upper back. Great for posture. It is the W Fly. So for this exercise, going to go straight into it. I need you to get your straps set to mid-length. Generally, fly movements are set to mid-length. You're going to be standing facing your anchor point. As I say, strap halfway up. Because it is a W fly, it is, what it says on the tin. The final position, you're going to be in a W shape, okay? So what we're going to do is we want to start in that finished position so you know where to set yourself up. I'm going to be stood in an offset stance. So for this, one foot will be ahead of the other one, the back foot on the toes. So what you'll see here is that my elbows are slightly lower than shoulder height, palms forward. So we're creating that W shape in the arms. From here, we can then rock onto the back foot, extend the arms out, body in that active plank position. So from shoulders down to the ankle, nice straight line. From here, we are pulling, dropping those elbows, squeezing those shoulder blades together, and rocking back. Remember, we want to have that space between our collarbone and our chin. We're trying to work that upper back, so we don't want to be hunching. We want space in between the masses of the head and the chest. So it's a pulling movement, dropping the shoulders. And I say this is kind of like the regression because you're in an offset stance. You can do it feet side by side, and you can sort of make the stability principle a bit more difficult, or feet together if you'd like. Generally, this is just a great exercise for your posture, so I don't feel like you really need to challenge yourself really hard. You don't need to go really, really low on this one. Just work on that, squeezing the shoulder blades together, extending out. And there you have it, nice and simple. Give that one a try. Let me know how you get on. If you would like to see more walk-through TRX exercises, feel free to subscribe as I've got a whole library of them. And don't forget to give it a nice thumbs up and comment and let me know how you get on. I'll see you soon for another video. Take care.